In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the Upload Care file uploader app into your Webflow project. We'll break it down step by step, ensuring it's simple and straightforward to follow. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional file uploader embedded in your Webflow site, ready for user interaction. To start, head over to your Webflow project. You'll want to make your way to the Apps panel. This is your command center for adding new features and integrations to your site, which brings us to our next move: searching for the Upload Care file uploader. This is a vital step because it lays the foundation for everything else we're going to do. Once you find it, look for the Install button. By clicking it, you are essentially welcoming Upload Care into your Webflow ecosystem, allowing it to enhance your website with its robust file uploading capabilities. Next up, let's add a form block to your page. This is where your file uploader will live. Drag and drop this block into the desired location on your page. Think of it as preparing a cozy little corner in your website where users can come and interact. Now, we need to bring in the star of the show, the file uploader itself. Use the Upload Care panel, which should now be visible, to create a shiny new file uploader component. This will be embedded within the form block you've just placed on your page. To make Upload Care work its magic, you'll need to step into your Upload Care account and get your public API key. This is the key that unlocks the app's full capabilities for your site. Once you have it, go ahead and enter it into the designated area in the Upload Care panel. This step is crucial for authentication and ensures that your uploader is securely linked to your account. Now it's time to configure your settings. This is where you get to customize your uploader to fit your specific needs. You can set allowed file types, like documents or images, and size limits to keep everything in check. By tailoring these settings, you create a smooth, user-friendly experience for anyone who visits your site. After configuring, you're close to the finish line. The final touch involves embedding your configured file uploader into your form. Simply click Embed in the Upload Care panel to make this happen. It places your newly configured uploader precisely where it needs to be, within your form on the website. Once you've embedded this component, you're all set, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated an Upload Care file uploader component into your Webflow project. By following these steps, you're empowering your site with enhanced functionality, offering your users an intuitive, hassle-free way to upload their files. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide as smooth as setting up the uploader itself.